I'll show you guys. Here it is. It's so cute. Oh my god, this screams summer. But the great thing about EBY underwear is that it actually, not only is it seamless, which is amazing, but it has like ridges. I don't know if you can tell through the camera here. Let's get closer. It has like ridges, so that it'll stay on your body. It's not gonna slide down. It's not gonna, like, you know, go through like a whole thing all day while you're working out or walking around or anything like that. So it stays in place, which is what I love.